willingness they have expressed to take on this completion of the task. For the first round of this competition, we had received 31 projects. Every participant had explored the applications very well and has gained knowledge beyond the textbooks. And the best 15 projects were chosen to complete for the final round. After each student had presented the topics, judges had selected three winners for the first, second, and third prize, respectively. But we also have two consolation prizes for the participants. Now I'll pass over to Professor Rekha ma'am.
Thank you, Sanskriti. I will start with the famous quote of Swami Vivekananda ji. Take risk in your life. If you win, you will lead. If you lose, you can guide. So, a very good evening, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of EMTSI, I welcome you all on the valedictory function of eMAPCO 2020. As all of you are aware that faculties and students from all over India have actively taken part in this project competition, presented their projects and answered the queries of judges. It is indeed a successful event which will motivate the mathematical fraternity to organize many more such kind of events. All the judges have patiently heard the presentation and taken a lot of effort to choose the best of them. We are thankful to all the judges. Now we are reaching to the concluding event of this competition, that is the valedictory function. In this regard, may I request Dr. Dasre, the President of EMTSI India, to conduct the further proceeding. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So, the Association of Engineering Mathematics Teacher started in the year of 1996. Okay, so this movement has started long back. Then there are several number of workshops, meetings, and the programs organized by the Association of Engineering Mathematics Teacher. Now, recently we renamed it as the Engineering Mathematics Teachers Society India. Okay, so this society has conducted a lot of program in past also. Now, in this situation of pandemic, when we were conducting our one of the meeting, then the idea of the competition was proposed. Yeah. So in this academic year, the mini project on mathematics is proposed by the Board of Studies in Mumbai University, especially for the subject of engineering mathematics in all branches. Okay, so that was the thing we were having, and so we thought to conduct a mini project competition in mathematics. And then we started planning for this. So long back in August last week, we started. And then after several sessions, we were able to get the correct idea how to conduct this project competition. Then we prepared in that way, and then we started. So after starting and sending the flyers, the different committees were made: the registration committee, the certificate committee, the flyer committee, and the conduction committee, execution committee. So many committees were made, and then volunteers were also considered. And then there were committees of volunteers also. And after doing this all, the flyers were sent all over India. Okay, and we got a very good response. So straight the inquiries from Mysore in Karnataka, from Hyderabad in Telangana, then from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, from Bharuch, Gujarat, from Akola, Maharashtra, and so many names. Okay, so we got a good response from all over India. And then after we got the project entries, then we decided to have the first round. So in the first round, the projects, all the received and registered projects were sent for evaluation. Then the projects were sent to the several judges. Okay. Then after getting the judgments from the several judges, we concluded a consolidated list, and from that consolidated list, the 15 projects were chosen for the final round and for the live presentation. So in that 15 projects, they were judged by again several judges and then evaluated on the extra parameters than the round one. Okay, because in round one there was no presentation. So when the presentation was added, then according to that, the rubrics was made, and then in round one, the project was evaluated on 3 parameters. In round two, the project was evaluated again for 5 parameters. Okay, so this way, the evaluation of the project was done, and then it was also a very uh, tough competition. So judges experienced it, and now after judging this project for the second round, we are with the results. Okay, so this is the time for the result of the competition now, for which we were working from last 2-3 months. Okay, so now we will like to hear from the participants and the mentors also. Okay, because while having this competition in the round one, the project leaders and the mentors were not able to communicate or not able to interact with the association, the society, and in round two also, for having a good competition and a good evaluation, we have restricted the identity of the project leaders as well as the mentors. Okay, so that the decision will be good and unbiased. Okay, and that's why now we have this, we have formed this platform for interaction. So all the judges are present in this meeting. Okay, so if the mentors and the participants, okay, if you think that you want to interact with the judges, this platform is for that only. So after the interaction, we will announce the names of the winners. So as the Sanskriti said, we have 3 winners and 2 consolation prizes. Okay, so the winner prizes are given by the association, and the consolation prizes are sponsored by Siam e-learning platform. Okay, and moreover, all the participants will get a coupon and access to e-learning source. Okay, so you will get a book in the form of the app you have to download, and then you will get the book on that. So that will be for all the participants. The value of that is more than the entry fee. Okay, so actually it is very much than the entry fee. So main aim of this competition was to ignite the young brains to think over the mathematics and to find the applications of mathematics in our real life, in engineering, and everywhere. Okay. And when we have gone through the projects, we saw that the participants have really done well. Okay, so they have really searched the resources, really got the points, collected the information, and presented in a very good manner. Okay, and there lies the success of this competition. So the aim of this competition was to ignite the brains, young brains, and I hope we have been successful in that. So we got the idea now how the students have worked, how they have got the ideas, how they have explained their ideas, and that was a very good experience for us also. And for this, we use this online platform. So it was really nice to see the presentations of the projects done by the students. Yeah. Again, I'm also thankful to the judges for giving the timely evaluation. I'm thankful to my seniors, Jangam sir, Untegar madam, KP Patil sir, AS Desai sir, for being there and supporting this association, society, and the competition. So thank you. Over to you, Rekha ma'am. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है या
Yeah, yeah. Now this is the time to announce the winners. So I will call Professor KP Patil sir to announce the names of the winners and the consolation prize winners, students' names and the mentors. Patil sir.
Good evening to everybody who are present over here. Today it's really a different evening we are sharing with each other because for last so many days students are working hard. They were working hard. The teachers, the mentors, they were giving full guidance to their students. And the result of this, which we could find it out in the yesterday's project competition. I am really happy to get this honor from Mathematics Society to announce the result of the competition. Let me first tell all of you that all of you are really eager to know what result is. But first thing, let us make it very clear. Today, who have won this game, who have won this competition, they are definitely winner. But those who are not able to get their position in the first three or the consolation, they are not loser at all. Please look at this point carefully that we are all winner because you have done great effort for making this project competition in a success. So now without going and making you what I am going to, whether I am winner or not, I made it very clear that all are winners, no doubt. But as we require to announce the first three as well as the consolation prizes, I am here announcing the first thing is we go in a reverse order. The consolation prize, because we have decided 2 consolation prizes. The consolation prize EMAPCO R023, role of integral transform for better civilization. Then the next consolation prize goes to EMAPCO R006, the flow rate of blood. So these are the 2 consolation prizes. Now we come to the prize number 3, that is the third one, is EMAPCO R008, Vector Unleash. Then the second one is EMAPCO R027, Fourier Transform. And now the winner is the first one. I think all the judges agreed, because almost it is true, and it is EMAPCO R010, Fourier analysis, the mathematical transformation. So this is the first one who has won. So all the prizes, that is 3 prizes, consolation, we want to congratulate them on behalf of the entire association, consolation, teachers, and I wish all the best to all the students who have participated. And you will observe that you are those who are university students, usually you are having a habit of, once the exam is given, the result takes a lot of time to declare, but we do not. We want to take this competition which we have taken, and the results are also declared in time. I hope that all of you are happy with the result, and those who are having still anything to work and say, they will be always welcome to our society. Thank you very much for giving me this honor to announce the result for the project competition. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, congratulations, all the winners. Uh, Now, students and mentor, if you have any doubt or any query with the judges, you can have a talk with them, or if you have any queries, you can ask a question. Any students or a mentor?
Ma'am, hello sir. Good evening, sir. Here, Aparna Pathak from R010.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
yeah, still.
Can we get feedback on our project, that if any improvement we need, so we can improve ourselves at the further stage? Some guidelines so that we can perform again well, perfectly.
Please name your project.
Fourier analysis, the mathematical approach to a digital and electronic system. Signal processing.
Okay. So you are the winner, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. I request Desai sir to guide them, please. Desai sir, please.
I think the size sir is not there, sir.
Okay. Yeah, sir, Vivek sir, you can also.
Yeah.
Aparna, your project was good. Okay. You both need to improve on presentation. When your presentation were going on, you were in too much hurry of completing everything. Remember, when you represent a project, you should focus on the gist and only those things you need to present. You see, if you write a project of 10 pages, you are not able to get that much time to present it. So you make the PPT of gist only, and this is what is the thought process, this is how it working, and this is how it is going to make the changes. Okay, so if you keep only those things in your mind, then you will be able to explain to the examiner better way. So that is one thing. And try to understand each and every concept. Like few things you have missed in your presentation, that what was the Dirichlet condition? You have mentioned Dirichlet condition talks about the periodicity,
Okay, sir. Okay.
but it doesn't talk about the periodicity. So these are the small points which you have to be very careful. What you are talking, you should be very specific. You should be very specific, and you know it very well. This is again true that you cannot know everything, but what you know, only those things you highlight related with your project. And what is required for your project, if you do not know, there is nothing wrong in saying, sir, at present I do not know this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Any other student want to ask?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, you can speak.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to thank this opportunity because basically the competition in maths, there are not so many competition in maths. So I would like to thank this platform for such a beautiful opportunity to us. And also I would like to thank our mentor, the Professor Satish Barrot, sir, for their guidance. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, any other student?
Ma'am, I would also like suggestions on my project. My group number
Okay,
my group number is R12.
R12. Okay.
Hello, Sakir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sakir, your project was integral transform.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So my suggestion is the same for what was there for the first group. Only the thing is, when you are representing any mathematical project, focus on more application rather than the concept. This is what happens, and this is the biggest challenge what mathematics student or mathematics teachers have, that when they want to make some project, hello, so project is actually the thought process of a project is like you are applying some concept and you are getting something, some as an output. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are making a project, you should apply the concept and get an output of it. This is the project I am doing. This is a mathematical concept I am applying here and getting this output. Are you getting my point? And this is not always a rocket science to get something of this kind of project if you are trying to write it. See, there are simple concept of linear system, what you people have studied, they are applied in any kind of market. Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
They can be applied in any kind of market. So when you are using the integral transform, where this integral transform is helpful, that you should focus on. Are you getting
Yes,
it?
sir.
Mathematics people who judge your project, they will not be much focused on, there will be not much interested in the theory, but rather they will be interested in its application, where you are applying it and getting something. Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my point? So if you can think of your concept, what you have studied, integral transform एक इतना strong tool है मैथमेटिक्स के पास कि आज की डेट में बहुत सारे लीनियर और नॉन लीनियर सिस्टम उससे सॉल्व होते हैं.
Yes, sir.
If you can think on that line, then your concept will be utilized into the application and your project will improve.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your suggestions.
Yeah, any other students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, I would also want to ask the same thing, like what could be the areas of improvement in my project? My group number was R013. Yes.
Desai sir, want to say something?
Yeah, let's complete his. Adarsh is telling something.
Okay. Others, actually, I gave you the input in your presentation only, that you were giving the conformal transformation.
Yes, sir.
So if you can learn that how the conformal transformation is now used into the technology, simple technology in enhancing the picture. So if you would have added these kind of concept in your projects, it would have been much better. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
I'm not discouraging you. I'm saying your project was very good. You have done a very well job. You have understood a concept. Now I gave you a suggestion also that where you can learn or you can find out that where those concepts are utilized even in the current time of technology, and it's there in everybody's hand. Everybody is using it. Nobody is thinking that to zoom or to make a picture larger, physics says you have to change the focal length of the lens. But in a 10 mm mobile camera, it's not possible to change the focal length of the lens. So to zoom the picture, what mobile computation does? It does the transformation. So if you study that, you will find out that it's miraculous application, as well as you may have a career in this field.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, best of luck.
Yes, any other students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, my group number was R027. Sir, I would like any suggestion or improvement from your side.
That means second winner. Fourier transform.
Yes, ma'am.
So already, Vivek. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Vivek sir already mentioned you that what kind of project is expected. And one thing I'll include that every student is a technical or the technical students. They know very well technically. We expected them how using mathematics in that, because a mathematical project. All candidates, all participants, I'm going to request you that please mention how using the mathematics in that, because you are the technical student, you know that what are the technical applications are there. But as a mathematics, if anybody asks me, then I will give the answer is that how using mathematics in that.
Okay,
that,
sir.
we expect from the student that how the mathematics is used. Actually, basic mathematics is more there. That's what
Yes, you can ask. Yeah, I think anyone else who is okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Sir, we would like to know the reviews about our project R006.
That is consolation prize flow rate.
mention the name of the project.
Just tell your topic, beta.
The flow rate of
The flow rate you have worked on, no? The flow rate of blood, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Your name is. There are three girls in that project.
Yes, sir. My name is Rituja.
Oh no,
Rituja.
what's your name, dear? Rutuja. Okay. Rutuja, that's good. Okay. The questions were asked. Simple questions were asked to you on the differentiation and integral. Okay. So you have explained with the idea of the uh, water tank and the water tap. Okay. So as you said, the integral will be summing up and the derivative will be. So there you could have explained in a better way. Okay. So you gone through the viscosity and other points also. Okay. So you could have improved as the basic things in the calculus. Okay. So you could have explained that also in a better way. Okay. So as I said, you could have included. So that could have added a benefit to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yeah, welcome.
Sir, hello, hello.
Sir,
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, even I would like to hear some suggestions about our project. My number is R21 Coordinate Gaming.
R21. So what's your good name?
Sir, Parth.
Parth.
Parth. Okay, okay, Parth. No problem. So you were asked about the games. Okay. So when you are thinking of the games, okay, immediately you should be ready with the answer. But you have explained your idea in a very nice way. You have used a lot of pictures. That's a very good thing. And you have expressed the vectors. Okay. The simple thing we need to understand what is dot product means, what is scalar product means, or cross product means. And the idea that you have used in gaming, you have gone through the Angry Birds game. Okay. So that's very good. But you can do better as describing, you have used the projectile motions also. So you can do better in the area, okay, where you can show how these vectors work actually. Okay, so how we do that and what that means exactly. Okay, so I hope I answer your query.
sir,
Okay, sir.
R,
Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome.
sir, R02, sorry, 028, differential, partial differentiation. I also want to know about the what should be adding and what should be subtracted.
Okay, so partial differentiation you have gone through. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that yeah, that's great. The first thing is that why do we need partial differentiation?
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh, if if we are having many variables and by changing one variable, what difference is coming in that product at the end? That's the main.
Okay, so the idea is basically when you are in one dimension, you use the total derivative.
Yeah.
Okay, but when you have to go to the higher dimension,
Mm.
okay, so you cannot expect a rate of change in only one direction. So, for
Yeah.
example, I'll see. Suppose you are blowing air in a balloon. Okay,
Mm.
in which direction it will grow?
All the three dimensions.
Correct. So there we need to understand all the in the direction. The another way, all these heat equations, electromagnetism or
Yeah.
magnetism, these are
Mm.
all partial derivatives and applications of partial derivatives.
Mm.
Okay. Even
Mm.
though electrical, most of our home appliances are
Yeah,
applications of
based on partial
partial
derivatives.
differentiation.
Mm.
Yeah. So you could have explained on more applications also. So you have gone through the wave equation and all. The basic thing is that when we have
Mm.
more than one dimension, we have to go through it.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is why the first thing is that what is the need of partial derivative, and then you
Mm.
can go ahead. Okay. And as you have taken these examples of the wave equation, one dimensional heat equation. and you have taken the example of wave equation also.
Mm.
Okay, so that's good, but you could have gone for the solution of that also.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Oh, yeah, yeah, you have to consider only the equations. Okay, so what the solutions mean and how the solutions are applied in our daily life.
Yeah, that we have picked, but then the time was going up from 5 minutes. Therefore, we subtracted. Yeah, sir, got it, sir.
Yeah, in your project report also, you have not mentioned about the solutions. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. Our
Yeah, please.
our group number is 008.
Okay. What's your good name?
Vector Aniruddha Mogal Giddikar.
Okay. Vector
Our
analyst.
yes, sir.
Third winner.
First,
You are the third winner, no?
yes, sir. And firstly, I'd
Senior
like
Academy
to
Pune.
yes, sir. I would like to thank you to giving this opportunity, and I would really like to know the suggestions.
Okay. Fine. So you have been through the vectors unleashed. Okay, I think we have discussed one suggestions on the vector. Somebody has got the vector project on vector, that is game. Okay,
Yes,
gaming
yes.
was based on the vectors. Okay, so here you were asked about the question how this crossword puzzle was completed. You presented in your presentation also. Okay, so what we have to do is whenever we don't need more very many or many ideas. So what you have to do is you take only one idea and present in detail. Okay, so that was the thing you have to concentrate on. Okay, don't be in hurry presenting many ideas, but consider only one idea and then show how it is exactly applied there. Okay, so in your you have considered one puzzle of crossword, and then you said that these are the vector manipulations that will be applied. Okay, but exactly how they are applied, that you need to elaborate. Okay, and you have considered the two dimension. Okay, so you need to say how it is going to be applied there. Okay, mentioning is okay, but you need to show how can be applied. Okay, if I'll mention, see, there are many ideas mentioned in the book, but do we get all the ideas? Okay.
No.
So we have to see that the ideas are explained properly, and then we get it properly. Okay. So my suggestion to you is try to explore and explain your idea in a proper way. Okay, your idea was very good. We got a prize also.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I
No, no.
think now anyone has any doubt? So we will be concluding. So thank you all of you. Now I request Professor Usha ma'am to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Rekha ma'am. I, Usha Bag, on behalf of Engineering Mathematics Teachers Society India, would like to thank all of you who have participated. I would like to thank all the participants for their enthusiastic participation in eMapCo 2020, as well as their mentors that backed them with encouragement and guidance. I would also like to extend my thanks to all the members of EMTSI for their numerous cooperation for conducting this eMapCo 2020. I would also like to thank all the volunteers who worked behind the scene to make the event happen. Our technical arrangement team, execution team, publicity team, registration team. This event would not have ran smoothly as it did if you all had not put in the long hours. We now we are looking forward to organize many such events in future. Thank you.